Hello! Welcome again to English the Gab Lab. I am very happy to be with you today. In this video, we are going to listen to a story called A Surprise for Mom. With this story, we are going to expand our English vocabulary. This is a great way to learn new words and practice your listening skills. Are you ready? Let's meet our characters, Charles and Ivy. Listen carefully.
Yesterday was a very important day at work, but at the same time, it was very tough because it ended very late. It was Saturday, and even though he was tired, he had to wake up early because it was his mother's birthday. Charles wanted to buy a special gift.
He put on his clothes and walked to the door.
The sun was shining. It was a very beautiful day in the city. Charles walked down the main street. He saw many people. He saw a dog, he saw a big bus, and there was people everywhere. He arrived at a small shop. The shop was full of flowers. Red flowers, yellow flowers, purple flowers, all kinds of flowers. He bought a large bouquet of red roses because it was her favorite flower and they smelled wonderful. Next, he went to the bakery. The bakery smelled like chocolate and cinnamon. He bought a small chocolate cake. My mother loves chocolate, Charles thought. She is going to love this surprise. He went down the street with his red roses in one hand and the chocolate cake in the other hand. He is happy, but the cake is a little bit heavy. Suddenly, he sees a girl. She is sitting on a bench under a big tree. Her name is Ivy. Ivy is a friend from university. She is reading a green book. Charles stops.
"Hello, Ivy,"
he says. Ivy looks up from her book. She smiles.
Oh, hello, Charles. It's been a long time. How are you?
"I am doing great, thank you."
Charles answers.
"And you? What are you reading?"
I am reading a story about history. It is very interesting.
Ivy says. Ivy looks at the roses and the cake.
Wow, Charles, are those for me? I'm joking.
Sorry, they're for my mother. It's her birthday today.
Oh, that's so sweet, Charles.
Ivy says. Suddenly, a drop of water fell on her nose, and then she looked at the sky. She looks at the cake and said,
Wait, Charles, look at the sky.
Charles looks up. The sun is gone. The sky is gray. There are big, dark clouds.
Oh no, it is going to rain. And you have a chocolate cake and paper for the flowers?
Ivy says.
You need an umbrella.
Charles looks worried.
I don't have one. This morning it was so sunny that I didn't think to grab an umbrella.
Ivy stands up. She opens her backpack.
Don't worry, Charles. I think I have a very big umbrella here. It is yellow and very strong. Let's walk together.
Thank you, Ivy. You are my lifesaver.
Charles says. They walk together under the yellow umbrella. The rain starts to fall. But the cake is dry. the roses are safe. They talk about their friends and their families while they walk. When they arrived at the corner of Charles's Street, the rain stops. Ivy says, pointing to the bus station.
I have to go this way.
Thank you for the help, Ivy. Without your help, I would have ruined the surprise.
I'm glad I could help you. We have to meet up someday.
Yes, let's exchange phone numbers, and that way we'll stay in touch.
Perfect.
When he arrived at his mother's house, she was sitting in the garden.
Surprise! Happy birthday!
Charles shouted. His mother smiled with a surprised expression. It was a perfect Saturday, and they had a great time celebrating her birthday together.
Now, let's do a small quiz to check your understanding. Don't forget to write your answers in the comments. I'll give you a heart if they are correct. Let's get started. What did Charles buy for his mother's birthday? A. Red roses and a chocolate cake. B. A blue jacket and a green book. Who did Charles meet while he was walking down the street? A. His sister. B. His friend Ivy. Why did Ivy share her umbrella with Charles? A. Because it started to rain and he didn't have one. B. Because the sun was too hot and he needed shade. Great job! You finished the story. I hope you liked it. Now, I have a question for you. What is your favorite gift or your favorite surprise? Maybe it was a book, a trip, or a surprise party. Please write your answer in the comments below. I love reading them. Don't be shy. Writing is a fantastic way to practice your English. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button so I know you liked the story. Subscribe to the channel for more English stories and share this video with a friend who is learning English too. Remember, practicing a little every day is the secret to success. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in our next story. Goodbye and happy learning!